And since we're talking about accountability and transparency, Jamaicans are also asking about the Support Jamaica portal that was launched to mobilize donations and ensure accountability. Although the site is supposed to provide real-time tally of funds raised, this is not visible from the dashboard. And so the government needs to indicate where that information can be accessed, how do Jamaicans track donations received, and how those donations are being disbursed. Too many Jamaicans are suffering without a meaningful pathway to restore order and dignity to their lives and those of their children. Every time, I just want you, as I leave, to leave you with this picture. Every time rainfall or rain even set up in many of these communities, these individuals relive the trauma of Melissa.